Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here I am recording the calculator view, and we're going to graph a parametric equation. I'm going to choose a different one than the ones I had you graph, just so you can see. To graph in parametric mode, menu, graph entry, and you can choose a different type. We haven't worked with much others than function. I'm going to graph parametric mode right now, and it's got x1 of t and y1 of t, and I'm going to graph the following function. I am going to graph x1 equals 2t plus, I lied, x1 equals t, and y1 equals, get over here there, 2t, that's a capital T, you don't want a capital T, 2t plus 1. I'm going to start at t equals 0, I'm going to graph to t equals 10, and I'll leave the t step alone, that's usually just fine. And boom, you'll see I have a line. And we know it's a line because if I took that t and replaced it with x, I would have the line right there. So why do we use parametric mode? So we can very quickly graph an inverse. The inverse is going to be, I'll hit tab to bring up the screen. I'm going to switch the x and y's. So x is going to be 2t plus 1, and y is going to be t. And I'll go t goes between 0 and 10, and I'll hit enter, and sure enough, there's my graph. It looks like it's the inverse. Obviously, the two things are switched, the x and y. I can leave that graph on, and I can change back to a regular graph, regular function, and I can graph y, or f1 of x equals x. So that's the line y equals x, and if I look at it, there it is, passing between the two. Now that I've made that graph, I'm going to save it. Control save. And I'm going to call it parametric. And I will hit save. Oh, I'm going to write over the top of it. So now I have the ability to save that document and put it away. To open that document, I go back to my home. If I want to see that document, I can go to My Documents. And I can find it on the list right here and open it like on a regular computer. So I hope you were able to get your graph into your calculator yesterday. If you weren't, you now see it here. And good luck. I will see you tomorrow.